All right, listeners, welcome back to another deep dive with us.
Always exciting to be back.
Oh, yeah. Today is no exception, right?
Absolutely.
So get this. We've got some biology notes, like
Yeah.
seriously bare bones stuff. The kind of you might scribble down like right before a big test.
Oh, yeah. I know those well.
Right. Yeah, exactly. But here's the twist. They're not just any bio notes. They're specifically for something called the Parmar SSC exam.
That's a new one for me.
Yeah, right. It threw us for a loop, too. So we did a little digging, and it seems like it's probably some kind of standardized test, maybe like their equivalent of the SATs or something.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, and we're thinking it's probably somewhere in India, judging by the name Parmar. And they mentioned a Telegram study group. So
Oh, yeah. Telegram's huge over there.
right, exactly. So we might be getting a peek into how another culture preps for these like high stakes exams.
That's always fascinating.
Oh yeah, for sure. Can we actually learn something from these notes?
Right, because they're pretty bare bones, like you said.
Super bare bones.
Yep.
It's more like an outline than actual detailed notes, but that's kind of the fun part too, right?
Yeah, we get to speculate a bit, fill in the gaps.
Exactly. So first impression, just from the title, it says bio one shot, like all caps, bold letters.
Bio one shot. Okay.
Yeah. So what does that tell you about how these notes are supposed to be used?
One shot. It does sound like cramming, last minute review before the big test.
Right. Like you're just going to take one shot at learning all this stuff.
Exactly. Or do they actually try to get into some depth?
Yeah, good question. And this is where it gets interesting because they also mention other resources, like there's a Telegram group for more
Exactly.
notes.
And I'm curious to
and
see
a Parmar SSC YouTube channel for lectures.
Wow, so it's like a whole ecosystem around this exam.
Yeah. Right. It's not just like, here's your notes, good luck. It's like this whole online community of students and teachers.
That's pretty cool, actually. I mean, it shows how much technology is changing education these days.
Oh, absolutely. And, think about it for a second, right? Like if you were prepping for a big exam, would you prefer just having like a textbook and some notes? Or would you want access to all these extra resources?
Oh, definitely. The extra resources, especially the lectures. I mean, sometimes hearing someone explain a concept is way better than just reading it.
Totally.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the Telegram group too, right? Like you could connect with other students, ask questions, get support.
Yeah, it's like a built-in study group.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
even though we're just looking at these, kind of scrappy notes, we're already getting this glimpse into a much bigger picture about how students are learning and preparing for exams.
Exactly, and that's what makes this so interesting.
Absolutely. I mean, we started with just bio one shot. And we ended up talking about different learning styles, the impact of technology on education. And
It just shows that knowledge can be found in the most unexpected places.
totally. And that's what we love about these deep dives, right? It's all about exploring and seeing what we can uncover. And until next time, happy studying and keep diving deep.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.